Hey everyone, it's Jeka. In this series, I have created video tutorials of the new Canva AI features, which we call the Magic Studio. So if you want to watch the other videos, you can just simply click the link in my bio. One of the features of the Canva Studio is the feature that can transform our content. And that is what we call the Magic Switch. Yung Magic Switch na to is an upgrade of the Magic Resize before. Dati may nakalagay dito na Magic Resize wherein we can resize yung ating content. Let's say from Facebook post, gawin natin siyang Instagram post. So we can easily do that before. Ngayon, nag-upgrade na siya into Magic Switch wherein meron siyang dalawang feature. We can still resize it into our desired na size. We can still convert it from one size to another through the Magic Resize here. Pero may mga new features which are yung translate and transform. So I have already created here a Facebook post na kung saan ginamitan ko na siya ng Tagalog na saying, and what we're going to do is subukan natin gamitin yung isa sa mga bagong features ng Magic Resize, which is yung translate. So dito, we are going to translate our design into another language. So subukan natin siyang i-translate first sa English. Although marami pang mga other options dito, pero subukan natin i-translate yan sa English para mas maintindihan natin. So we're going to click translate. Before that, you can translate the existing design without creating a copy. So meaning to say, you can translate this at hindi mo na kailangang mag-create pa ng another copy. Pero kung gusto niyo, let's create and let's translate this one, and then let's just wait for it to load. And then, pag inopen nyo yung Facebook, mag-create siya ng another copy. So, yung kanina na ginawa natin na saying na ang wastong edukasyon ay pahalagaan, ito ay susi sa iyong kinabukasan, nag-transform na siya into proper education is valued, it is key to your future. So, nag-automatic translate na siya from Filipino to another language. Ngayon, subukan natin yung another language. Let's say we want to try yung Korean. So, ayan. You can also translate this into another language na gusto natin or desired natin. Okay, so ayan siya. Na-translate na siya. Another feature is yung transform into doc. So, it can turn your design into a summary, a blog post, or a song lyric. So, based from the text that we have placed here, ita-transform niya to into a doc. Depende kung ano yung gusto natin na option. So, may mga options siya like summary, kung gusto natin siyang gawing blog post, into an email, into a poem, into a song lyrics. So, subukan natin na gawin yung blog post, and then tignan natin kung ano yung magiging output niya. And then ayan, na-transform na siya into a blog post. So, let's try to see kung ano yung kanyang output. Okay, so there you go. Ito yung nasa natin kanina, yung nasa post natin kanina, and then ito na yung blog post about doon. So para siyang combination ng Magic Switch at saka yung Magic Write, wherein it help us create a blog post based from the certain keywords or sentence or phrase na nilagay natin from our post. And of course, let us not forget yung resize. So, subukan pa rin natin siya kung meron bang something na nag-iba dun sa Magic Resize. So, kung dati, you can just type here kung ano yung resize options na gusto mo. Ngayon, naka-categorize na siya based from like social media, print products, etc. So, let's say social media. Again, this is the Facebook post. So, let's try to resize this into, let's say, Instagram. So, yan, may mga logo na rin siya. If we want to resize that into Instagram, so subukan natin. Ayan, gawin natin siyang square and then continue. And then you have two options here. Pag copy and resize, ibig sabihin magka-create siya ng another page or another copy. And then kung gusto ninyong ito mismo yung i-resize nyo, then choose resize this design. So ayan siya, there you go. From our Facebook post, it has been resized to an Instagram post or yung square post na tinatawag.